Hello everyone! Welcome to Fixsoft. In this video, you'll learn how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 10. This guide is simple, clear, and perfect if you're just getting started with Python. Let's begin without wasting our time. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google and search for Python for Windows 10. From the search results, open the official Python website. Once the website loads, move your mouse over the Downloads menu. You'll see the latest Python version displayed there. Click on it, and the setup file will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, right-click on the file and select Open. The Python setup window will appear. First, check Use Admin Privileges when installing. Then check Add Python to Path. This step is very important, so don't skip it. Now click on Customize Installation. On the Optional Features screen, keep all options selected. This will install pip, which is used to download and manage Python packages, and it will also install basic tools needed to run Python programs. Click Next. On the Advanced Options screen, select Install Python for all users. You'll see the default installation location. Leave it as it is, and click Install. Now wait for the setup to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Close. Now, let's make sure Python is installed correctly. Open the Start menu. Type cmd and open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. If you see the Python version number, that means Python is installed successfully. You can now close the command prompt. That's it. You've successfully installed Python on Windows 11 and verified that it's working. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to